Yo, welcome back everybody. Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Dede, you feel me? If you're new, please like, share, and subscribe. Here we at the shop. We got Deer on the back, Mr. RC car. Shout out to Fresh Focus Sports for sponsoring this video with the GoPro 7. Huge. Super thankful.
How old you think I was? My baby is 50, going on 52. My oldest child. And Jim's 36. I'm an old man now, girl. I think I'm older than Bobby. We're the same, about the same age. Okay. Okay.
It's on off of Avalon and like Delamo or something.
Okay, there's a park over there, huh?
Victoria Park.
Victoria
Big old park. They go over there and run across the grass somewhere.
Oh, they got off-road stuff.
Yeah. Doug got two
Gas or
he
electric?
got two gas cars.
Oh, you got fifth tail?
Yeah. $200. One.
What can you get? Can you get something for $500? I could see $500 for a good, strong off-road buggy and stuff. And then you got to get the radio again. I don't have any radio.
No, you get RTR stuff for
Ready to run.
Brushless motor and a lithium battery and a charger for that price.
Oh, really?
Even that Traxxas
But you
Rustler.
know, I like to build my stuff. You know, we built our stuff.
And I only run it. I probably run this car 10 times.
Oh, okay. How many fails you put in this bad boy? Put this in here.
Either 4 or 6.
Oh, the battery technology is different now, huh?
Okay, so it's either 14 volts or 24 volts.
Okay.
22 volts. The 22 volts.
Well, you have to buy these things now, huh?
And yes.
Yeah.
That the 6 cell. 6 cell, 6S is what they say.
Okay.
And that gives you a hell of a punch. You get a ride, what you say, Paul? An e-ticket ride. I'm not gonna use that because that's what's tearing up my part.
You have too much power.
Yeah, that's what's tearing my part.
You just hit, because these things just...
You just ripping it.
Serious air with this bad boy. Yeah, I like to go, if you go on Sunday, I would go with you.
Okay.
And better be right, because you get eliminated, you don't get nothing.
So I'm like, the dude that won could probably literally sell his car right now.
Oh yeah, because it's dead. Do whatever he wants.
Whatever he wants.
Because somebody's going to buy it. That's electric, that's an electric motor.
Electric.
Yeah. No gas motor. Electric motor.
I was like, yeah,
Yeah, that gas.
on your page, Day
When?
yesterday.
Nah, they was in the mini bike group chat.
Do you know what you do?
Yep. I built this.
You do that, huh?
I learned from him.
So you're an apprentice, huh?
Nah. A neighbor.
So you're a pro now, huh? Is that what it is?
Nah. Not even close. Not even close. Not even close.
Not even close.
Hey, man. Sheesh.
Put your little business on there.
Yeah.
Cameras up there, so you see it. Hey, there you go.
You just download the app onto your phone.
Yeah.
And then you make yourself your little password and whatnot.
And you're done.
And then you just open up and start seeing other people's Instagram. Or you just like Facebook where you can look up other people that you might know.
Oh, okay. I don't do that. I don't do that. I mean, I'll probably look up yours.
Who Bobby be on? Facebook and Instagram. He got both of them.
Who, Bobby does?
Yeah. That's how you keeping up with what's going on. They can get online and see that and read that stuff that the dude be posting up. That's why I told Cleve after we did 100, I said make sure that you tag Bobby in on this.
Oh, okay.
You let him know that we did 100 and it was with his frame. Make sure you put Temecula Bob special thanks to Temecula Bob's frame.
So he's on his frame then.
The first time. Okay.
So call the number on your screen now to see if you're eligible or to enroll. Fear Factor are coming to TBD. That's 3 hours of epic fail, 3 hours of
Oh, no.
That should be all drained out. Yes, sir.
They just gonna look at you like, oh, they're gonna gather around because it's something different. Yeah. But nobody's gonna really care about what you're doing with it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Give me that.
What, right?
Yeah.
Well, he's not in his class. All you deal with a small block, right?
I'm telling you, this is what all of this is doing. It'll be dumb for me to go to a big block and I'll be the only one out there with one.
Yeah.
Sheesh. Flat Top Piston gang.
This is me just putting scar wax on my face, trying to change my bone structure, and then I ran out of it, so I couldn't do enough. If that makes sense. Then I started painting my entire face greenish and bluish.
Finally got me a flat top piston. Got me a flat top piston. So you will have an upper, a middle ring, then you will have 2 skinnier rings, plus the like the shimmy looking ring. This one is for, well, these 3 are actually for the oil. If you would look on the rings, they're labeled right here. One says DY and one says D, and of course these are going on the bottom. So the one that says DY, this is going at the top, this one. The one that says D is going in the middle, and the 3 last ones are going on the bottom. And you see that? You have your rings set in flat top piston. This is going in my motor, standard stroke 3.308 rod lamp. It's my motor right here. Standard sleeve. I actually need to go buy a new gasket from Tim tomorrow, so that sucks, but you know, comes with the game. There goes my piston at top dead center with a standard stroke 3.30. What is it? 3.308 rod. Alright. That's the Lewis.
Here he come. Here he come.
Well, can't get a good pass. I got oil all over the place. But it's whatever. I'll be out next week.